In my practice, the way in which I emphasize the value of integrating community cultural wealth into psychotherapy for our clients who identify as Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander is by incorporating elements such as familial capital, which acknowledges the vital role of families in these communities, which enhances the therapeutic strategies. By involving families and recognizing family dynamics, we can provide more effective and culturally resonant therapy. Social capital is another critical component. Encouraging engagement in cultural community groups not only strengthens our clients' identities, but also builds essential support networks that can aid in their therapy. Linguistic capital plays another role as well. Offering services in the client's first language or ensuring access to translators can greatly improve communication and make therapy more accessible. Navigational capital involves helping clients manage the challenges of living between cultures, providing them with strategies to handle acculturation stress and identity conflicts. Finally, aspirational and resistant capital encourages clients to pursue their personal goals while using their cultural strengths to resist societal stereotypes and prejudices. By tailoring our approaches to incorporate these cultural assets, we not only enhance our therapeutic effectiveness, but also empower our clients by deeply respecting and utilizing their cultural identities in their healing journey. Thank you.